Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for long document analysis in 2026. So if you need to summarize PDFs, review reports, analyze research papers, or extract key information from large files, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI, then sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be able to upload files directly into the chat. Now click the Upload button and select the document you want to analyze. Claude supports large text files, PDFs, reports, notes, and research documents. So, after uploading, the AI can read and process the content for you. One of the easiest ways to start is asking Claude for a summary. You can request a short overview, detailed breakdown, or bullet point explanation of the document. This helps save a huge amount of reading time. You can also ask Claude to extract specific information from the document. For example, key findings, deadlines, action items, financial numbers, or important quotes. This is really useful for business reports and research papers. Another powerful feature is asking detailed follow-up questions about the file. So instead of reading hundreds of pages manually, you can ask Claude to explain sections, compare ideas, or clarify difficult concepts instantly. You can also turn large documents into organized study notes or work summaries. Ask Claude to create outlines, checklists, timelines, or revision notes from the content. This makes long information much easier to review later. Even though Claude is very powerful, always double-check important information before using it professionally. Sometimes AI summaries may miss small details or misunderstand context, so reviewing the original document is still important for accuracy. And that's how to use Claude AI for long document analysis in 2026. Once you learn how to upload files, ask smart